Why is it so tall? Okay, but we are playing Salt and Cook. I don't know what the name is, but let's just start and this challenge.
My friend told me it's a hidden gem. I'd like some drumsticks, country, please.
My stomach is a roast! Could I have fries with some spicy on top?
Are you ready for Christmas? Dude, do you have ice cream? It's
But
hot enough to boil
it is
my
not
mom.
Christmas.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it. Dude, do you have ice cream? It's hot enough to boil my bum.
Chilies.
This is unbelievable. It's very satisfying. A choice steak, please. I'd like it to be medium rare.
I can't tell. Maybe a bit more sugar?
No, that's not right.
Your skills are the best, I heard. Merry Christmas. Could I get a salad? I'm vegan.
Okay.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
I feel full of energy. The salad's great.
I freaking love it.
That steak really smacks my chops.
Could I get a burger? I'm starving.
Need that much? Choose. Boom. Here's yours. You only need a 5.
My stomach is a roast!
3, 4.
Could I have fries with some salt on top?
Majan se suuta zuento tuzis restaurant biko. Ando zeineba kamubatsku.
2, 3, 4. Perfect.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true?
No, totally not.
Can I get a burger? I'm starving.
These fries are so good, I can't stop eating them.
Oh, you just. Slow service, okay? Jeez.
This is the best burger I ever had. This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
This restaurant got 5-star, I'm gonna try it. It's dessert time. Ice cream, please. This restaurant got 5-star, I'm gonna try it. Give me Coke, I'm Pratt.
This is my first drink.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
Cool, I feel so high with your ice.
I feel full of energy. This salad's great.
A really cozy place.
Okay.
Give me Coke.
I
I'm
just
Pratt.
keep saying okay, that's it. But we're gonna give this guy Coke.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? I'm a vegetarian. Any salad for me.
I love this Coke.
I love this salad. It's so fresh and tasty.
You might not shoot anybody. Might. There are no cheeseburgers.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
Okay.
My friend told me it's a hidden gem. I'd like some drumsticks, country, please.
It's a chow time. Hi, I'll have a burger. But here, thank you. Oh my gosh, this burger is awesome!
I'm sure that's
I'd like to order a burger. Be quick. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this burger is awesome!
No.
Dude, do you have ice cream? It's hot enough to boil my bum.
アイヘドアワリアウォーズショットアットジスレストランイズジスはトライアルフォマイブレイド
It's good. Here's your extra tips.
No, let me.
This place is a Urban Tale. They have the craziest chef ever. Could I get a salad? I'm vegan.
The very moment I can't grab this.
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch. It's hot as hell outside. Give me ice cream.
Dude, you are making something real. Take my tips.
Okay.
Your food is
We
breaking my
are
throat.
doing good.
It's a chow time.
Is it?
Triple drumsticks, hurry up, I'm starving.
I need ice cream to survive. Bring it to me now. I'd like some drumsticks, country, please. My friend told me it's a hidden gem. Could I have fries with some spicy on top?
There's a lot. Let me get.
Your drumstick is bloody lovely.
This place is an Urban Tale. They have the craziest chef ever. I'm on a diet. A salad will be good. Hit the spot. I'm gonna pay you extra tips.
Could I have ice cream, please?
Amazing fever. Thank you so much. I feel full of energy. This salad's great.
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back. I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? Could I have a large Coke with extra ice? Awesome! I could eat it every day.
That's not correct.
Cool! I feel so high with your ice.
My stomach is a roast! This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it. Could I have fries with some spicy on top? Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch. Just a little bit spicy, please. It's so smooth and soft. I'm gonna give you 5-star.
Dude, you are making something real. Take my tip. My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back.
Your cooking's actually awesome.
This place with
I'll stop
AA バンデイル They
If you
have
talk
the
to me
craziest
that way.
chef ever
Worst time ever.
Yudo, you are making something real. Take my chips.
Amazing fever. Thank you so much. My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back. Could I have some crispy chicken drums? It's burning outside. Do you have ice Coke?
It's raw inside!
drink is bloody lovely.
Okay, there we go.
This drink saved me from the bloody sun.
Just gonna fill up
My stomach is a roast! Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch.
A really cozy place.
This chocolate is seriously
if
amazing.
You're willing to give me
Thanks.
some,
I'm
I
on a
won't
diet.
bother
A
you
salad
anymore.
will
I won't
be
bother
good.
you anymore.
The best ice cream I ever had. You saved my summer.
You made my day. Please take your reward.
This place is an urban tale. They have
I
the
feel like
craziest
$10
chef
for
ever.
fries. And fries it.
Could I get a
is
steak? I
kind
want
of
it cooked medium.
ありありコジサンクチュアリ
It's a chow time. Could I have some crispy chicken drums?
They're stock.
Yummy, it tastes just like my mom's.
That steak really smacks my chops.
These fries are so good, I can't stop eating them.
And you don't dip. They're really amazing.
My friend told me it's a hidden gem. I want my fries to have bite more fever.
My stomach is a roast!
Hi, I'll have a burger. Or here, thank you.
I love this salad. It's so fresh and tasty.
Oh yes, is this chef good or what?
One,
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? I'd like some drumsticks, country please.
6, 7, 8.
A really cozy place.
Wow, those spicy chicken drums is amazing.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hit the spot. I'm gonna pay you.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it. You want. Show me the hottest food you have.
Tastes so good I could eat it all day.
You burned my heart, baby.
1,000. I'm just gonna get rid of this Coke. I'm gonna get out of here and
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever. A really cozy place.
My stomach is a roast.
Oh my gosh. Coke.
It's as hot as hell outside. Give me ice cream.
Boom. Steak.
I love this salad. It's so fresh and
Steak.
tasty.
Steak.
A really cozy place. Could I get a salad? I'm vegan. This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it. I'm on a diet. A salad will be good.
My stomach is a roast. This is bloody lovely. I'd like some drumsticks, country, please.
I feel full of energy. This salad's
No
great.
robbers.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true?
This place is an urban taste. They have the craziest chef ever.
Just don't stop me. I can everything you want.
Hi, I'll have a burger. For here, thank you.
Let's get out of here. Ooh. Okay. So. Tell me in the comments like which one I get. Okay?